Imagine you have a magic money tree. Every day, it grows a little taller, its leaves turning into shiny coins. Wouldn't that be amazing? Well, while we can't quite grow money trees, there's something pretty close: investing. Raiz is like a digital financial advisor that helps you grow your money, even if you're a beginner. It's a simple, easy-to-use app that takes the guesswork out of investing. Think of it as your personal financial assistant. Why invest with Raiz? There are a few reasons why Raiz is a great choice for beginners. Accessibility: you can start investing with as little as $5. Automation: Raiz allows you to set up automatic contributions, so you don't have to think about it. Diversification: Raiz invests your money across a range of assets, which helps to reduce risk. Low fees: Raiz charges a low annual fee, making it affordable for everyone. Getting started with Raiz. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to begin investing with Raiz. Download the app. The Raiz app is available for both iOS and Android devices. Create an account. Sign up for a Raiz account using your email address and password. Link your bank account. Connect your bank account to Raiz so you can make contributions. Choose an investment portfolio. Raiz offers several investment portfolios to suit different risk tolerances. Set up automatic contributions. Choose how often you want to contribute to your Raiz account. Start investing. Your investment will begin as soon as you make your first contribution. Tips for maximizing your Raiz investment. Here are a few tips to help you get the most out of your Raiz investment. Start early. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Be patient. Investing is a long-term game. Don't get discouraged if your investments experience short-term fluctuations. Contribute regularly. Consistent contributions can help you build wealth over time. Review your portfolio. Periodically review your investment portfolio to ensure it aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Investing with Raiz is a simple and effective way to grow your wealth. By following these steps and tips, you can take control of your financial future. So, what are you waiting for? Download the Raiz app today and start your investing journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.